You might wonder, is it possible to use more than one lock with the same key? Introducing the same key system from the Velo Bike Lock Store. Make life more convenient with multiple locks that can be opened with the same keys. Easily hand out locks for groups, friends, or family gatherings. All the different locks can be opened with the same keys. Less clutter, more convenience, and even a little insurance against forgetfulness. You always have a backup. The same key system is what we've all been waiting for. While you're out there biking, remember, avoid high crime areas. Never leave your bike locked outside for long periods of time. And don't forget that no bike lock is 100% secure. These locks are meant to prevent opportunistic thefts during short stops. For added convenience and safety, get a lock from the Velo Bike Lock Store to help protect your property and belongings.